Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about total health spending per person, which is on the y-axis, and median age, that is on the x-axis. Before I created my graph, I did expect there to be correlation. My thoughts were that if you had a higher median age, you would probably spend more money on healthcare, and vice versa. If you spent a little bit of money on healthcare, you'd probably have a lower median age. This graph shows that there is correlation between healthcare spending per person and median age. As you can see, there's a positive trend, meaning that the higher the median age is, the more healthcare spending you probably use or spend. There are a few countries that don't follow the general correlation, but like it's still there. You could still see it. As you can see, Equatorial Guinea right there is spending a a decent amount of money, but its median age is only 21.6, whereas other people such as Brazil, who spend around the same amount, the median age is 29. So you can still see that there's a positive trend, but there are some exceptions. A little bit of Myanmar, the total healthcare spending is around 17.1, while the median age is 26.3. And usually, if you spend around that much money, your median age is 18, 17.5, or 16.9, which you can see with the Congo, Ethiopia, and Madagascar. Now I'm showing you what it looked like in 1995. As you can see, most of the countries are in this quadrant, the bottom left quadrant, where healthcare spending and median age are both lower. You can still see an upwards correlation, however, it's more clustered towards the bottom. Five facts that were interesting to me were that in 1995, Switzerland spent the highest amount of money, or the most amount of money, per person on healthcare. And then when we go to 2010, we'll just let this play. We see that the United States spent the most amount of money. However, it does not have the highest median age. I think the highest median age is Japan at 44.7 years. Additionally, Niger had the lowest median age at 15 years. It was also interesting to see that Eritrea had the least amount of money spent per person at $11.9 and had the median age of 18.9. All right, thank you guys. That was my presentation.